Let's be real. Who wouldn't want to make money while doing the absolute minimum? Well, guess what? You actually can. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 laziest ways to make money online. No boss, no 9 to 5, and in some cases, no real work at all. And before you ask, yes, these are legit ways people are making money every single day. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe because I drop new money-making hacks every week. First up, selling digital products. This is the definition of passive income. You create something once, like an ebook, a Notion template, or a printable planner, and then sell it over and over again, forever. Why it's lazy? No inventory, no shipping. You can create a product in a single weekend and sell it for years. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip handle everything for you. Not a designer? Use Canva to create stunning digital products in minutes. Believe it or not, you can sell random photos you take with your phone and make passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy will pay you every time someone downloads your image. Why it's lazy? Take a few photos, upload them once, and get paid repeatedly. No need to be a pro photographer. Simple lifestyle images sell best. Even pictures of coffee cups and desks make money. Would you try this? Comment photo if this sounds easy to you. If you're still watching, you're serious about making easy money. Hit subscribe for more passive income tips. Here's a crazy one. YouTube automation channels. You don't even have to be on camera. Just find a niche. Use AI to write scripts, get voiceovers, and throw it all together with stock footage. What you need: AI script generator, ChatGPT, AI voiceover, 11 Labs, Murph AI, stock videos, Pexels, Storyblocks. Why it's lazy? You never have to show your face. You can automate 90% of the process. Once a video is uploaded, it can make money for years. Some faceless YouTube channels make $10,000 per month without ever recording a single clip. Which of these ideas seems the easiest so far? Comment below. What if I told you that people will pay you just to use a website that you own? This is called digital real estate. You either buy an existing website or build a simple one, then rent it out to businesses. How it works: buy or build a simple website, rank it on Google, use SEO. Rent it to small businesses for a monthly fee. Why it's lazy? Once set up, it's completely hands-off income. You can charge businesses $500, $3,000 per month for a site they don't have to build themselves. Would you rather own physical or digital real estate? Let me know in the comments. Last but definitely not least, affiliate marketing. You basically get paid to recommend products you already use. Easy ways to start: Amazon Associates, share a sale and impact, TikTok and Instagram affiliate links. Why it's lazy? No product, no inventory, just share links. You don't need a huge audience to make money. Some affiliates make 100,000 plusers per year. Start with software and subscriptions. They pay the highest commissions. Which of these money-making methods would you try first? Comment below and let's talk. And there you have it. 5 of the laziest ways to make money online. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video.